Good morning everyone. Respected principal, teacher, parents and my dear friends. My name is Manjula. I wish you all very happy Independence Day. On the 78th Independence Day, we have together celebrate the spirit of our freedom that our nation cherishes. As all know that we got Independence Day on 15 August 1947 from British rule. Many freedom fighters have prepared their entire whole lives to get the freedom for India. We can never forget the sacrifices of Bhagat Singh, Netaji Rani Lakshmibai, and Chandrasekhar Azad, who had to lose their lives in their early days just for fighting for their country. Mahatma Gandhi was the one and only who in India to get freedom with the help of non-violence. First Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, raised the Indian flag on that fort in New Delhi. Our journey from the struggles to the path of the achievements today fills our hearts with pride. Thank you.